Everyone, we are Team The Null Pointers, and our problem statement is AI/ML enable video analysis and interpretation. Our project is titled Sentinel, Intelligent Video Analytics System. The problem we are addressing is that the NSG operates multiple surveillance systems like drones, CCTVs, and body cams that generate huge amounts of video data. Monitoring this manually is almost impossible, and important threats like loitering, abandoned bags, or weapons can be overlooked. Our solution tackles this problem directly. Now, let us walk through our live prototype. This is the main Sentinel dashboard, which provides a complete operational overview at a single glance. At the very top, you can see key real-time metrics: critical alerts, high priority alerts that require attention, active cameras that are being monitored, and detected objects across all feeds. This gives the command center immediate situational awareness. The central component is the live feed panel. Here, we are looking at Cam 01. As you can see, our AI models are processing the stream in real time, identifying objects like people and backpacks, and marking them with bounding boxes and confidence scores. To the right of the feed is Active Alerts panel. Whenever our AI detects a potential threat, a new alert appears here instantly. Each alert is categorized by its severity, like high or medium, and shows the camera location and the system's confidence level. From here, an operator can immediately acknowledge the alert to indicate they are handling it, or dismiss it if it's a false positive. This creates a clear and accountable response workflow. Below the alerts, we have the watch list. This is a critical feature for tracking persons of interest. Here, the officers can track high-risk individuals like John suspect who's flagged as critical. If anyone on this list is detected by camera, the system triggers a high-priority alert immediately. Moving down, we have an activity heat map. This is a powerful tool visualizes hotspot of an activity over a selected time, such as the last hour or the previous hour. Red areas indicate suspicious behavior like loitering or objects, while green shows normal activity. This allows officers to identify high-risk zones without manually reviewing hours of footage. Finally, at the bottom, every single event detected by the system is logged in the event timeline. This provides a permanent record with details like the timestamp, camera ID, confidence score, and threat levels. Officers can use this to review past incidents, view the live feed, or export video clips and data for reporting and evidence. Together, these features create a comprehensive workflow: a real-time detection, instant alerting, visual analytics with heat maps, and a complete audit trail. To conclude, Sentinel converts a passive surveillance into proactive intelligence. It reduces human workload and ensures faster response to critical threats and integrates seamlessly with legacy systems. This system is not just a defensive operations like NSG, but can also extend to airports, borders, and smart cities, making it both scalable and impactful.